Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Cardinal.
And I'm Karen. Welcome to Wolf TV. Here's the news for Thursday, November 9th.
Saturday is Veterans Day, and this is a chance for all of us to honor those who have served in our military. Plus, the city of Westminster will host their Veterans Day ceremony tomorrow at 10:30 a.m. to noon at the Armed Forces Tribute Garden. More information is available on westminstercolorado.gov. Showing up is a great way to show support for veterans who served in our community.
And the best part of all, in honor of Veterans Day, there will be no school tomorrow, so enjoy your 3-day weekend, Wolves.
Wolves, we have a community drone day coming up where you can try out a drone flight simulator, see drone soccer demonstrations, meet industry professionals, and more.
The Community Drone Day is at Westminster High School on December 9th between 10 a.m. and 1 p.m. It is open to all, but RSVPs are appreciated by scanning the QR code.
Now, let's find out what's happening in our upcoming winter sports season.
Thanks, I'm Jennifer, and this is the Westy Sports Report. The winter sports season is coming up quickly, and if you are interested in wrestling, competing in girls swimming, or boys or girls basketball, we got the information you need. Tryouts for both basketball teams will be held next Monday, November 13th in the Wolves Den. The boys take the court from 4 to 6 and the girls from 6:15 to 8. Good luck to everyone trying out. If you are interested in joining the Westy wrestling or girls swimming team, please contact the coaches at the email address on the screen now. We're looking forward to a great season, Wolves.
Now it's time to check out this week's Westy Book of the Week. What do we have this week, Jamie?
Thanks, I'm Jamie, and in this week's Westy's Book of the Week, you have a chance to embark on a journey to 1957 Madrid, where secrets, love, and danger intertwine in Ruta Sepetty's book, The Fountains of Silence. Under the fascist dictatorship of General Francisco Franco, Spain is hiding a dark secret while tourists and foreign businessmen flood there under the welcoming promise of sunshine. Among them is 18-year-old Daniel Matheson, who arrives in Madrid with his parents, hoping to connect with the country of his mother's birth through the lens of his camera. Photography and fate introduce him to Anna, as Daniel's photographs leave him with uncomfortable questions amidst shadows of danger. He is backed into a corner of difficult decisions to protect those he loves. Interested? Check it out from Westy's library today.
Yo, my name's Ramon, and I'm your host for Yo, What's Your Fit, where we look for the unique fits around Westy. Yo, what's your fit? Tell me your name again and tell us about your fit.
My name's Aaron, 11th grader, and the fit, this, homemade.
Homemade?
Homemade. Unbelievable.
I don't believe it. Hey, but if it's homemade, that's clean. Let me feel it. Damn.
Stay strong.
That's good. Hey, what about those shoes, though?
The shoes, one of one. You know, there's a lot out there, but very worth it. You can do anything, rock climb, play basketball. You know, I'm a very good basketball player, some would argue. But at the end of the day, it's what happens at the end of the day, all right?
Chain, are you matching with someone?
Unfortunately, not yet. Not yet.
All right, thank you again, and on to the next fit.
Hello, we are your Westy SillsUSA, and we want to invite you all to come to our winter formal dance on December 9th. The theme is Winter Wonderland.
Tickets are only $15 and they go on sale Monday, November 27th until Thursday, December 7th. And as a special gift, the first 50 students to purchase a ticket will receive a special prize.
Concessions will be open all night, and the fun starts at 7 and the party doesn't stop until 10 p.m.
We hope to see you there!
And that's it for today, Wolf TV. Thanks for watching. I'm Cardinal.
And I'm Karen. We hope you all have a great 3-day weekend. We'll see you next time.